Well, now for the very latest on the current road conditions out there, we head to NBC4's Karina Chung. And Karina, how is it out there? Not even just driving, but walking out there because it is so slippery.
Well, good evening, Darlene. Yes, it is pretty slippery out here, but did we mention that it's really cold as well? I want to show you what the roads look like right now. So look over here. This is Olentangy River Road. It is a mess out there. You can see big chunks of ice. I'm going to show you what it looks like here in my hand. I picked this up off of the ground, but let's take a look at the side street here too. We're along River Drive. This is the side street, and just take a look. It is pretty packed down. It is pretty slick. Now, the city does say they have between 40 and 50 crews working on the roads tonight, and that they hope tomorrow that the sunshine helps them out, but they will be working on these main roads and these side roads. And just to give you a good look of what the snow looked like before it became packed down and stuff like this, here's the sidewalk. Look, this is all powdery fluff, but again, the road's pretty rough depending on where you're driving. Olentangy River Road is pretty rough and pretty crunchy out there while we were driving on it. But for now, live and local for you in Columbus, I'm Karina Chung, NBC4.